Today's topic is another post about the new Wisconsin Real Estate Condition Report, mandatory use date July 1, 2018. Home sellers are now required to disclose how long they've lived in the property right on the form. On the old form, this wasn't included. Now, to be clear, you're only required to complete this form if you actually own or occupied or own the property. There's certain exceptions for someone who didn't live there, such as someone selling a house out of a probate estate or the trustee of a trust. However, people who flip homes, such as LLC members, are required to complete the report because there is no special exception carved out for them. Talk with your real estate agent or attorney about if you're required to complete the report if you're selling property that isn't your owner-occupied home. But for today, talking about your home, you're now required to disclose how long you've lived in the property. And that's one of the additional requirements, in addition to my previous video discussing how you must disclose you're aware of a restrictive covenant on the property. The main takeaway is that July 1, 2018, new disclosures were added to the law and required in the report. So if you're buying or selling a home, you want to make sure you have the updated forms and the latest legal language to make sure your contract is legal and binding. And just to remind you, this real estate condition report is required to be furnished by the seller to the buyer within 10 days of an accepted contract by both parties. Otherwise, the buyer has the option under state law to cancel the contract. That's today's update on the real estate condition report. Thank you for watching.